Welcome to the Chatreey official channel. Today, we unveil the all-new EXR1 mini PC. With its unique cylindrical design, it redefines the form and boundaries of mini computers. Just look at it, unlike those traditional black boxes. When you place it on your desk, someone unfamiliar might mistake it for a new Bose speaker. It features a 3.5mm audio jack and DC power port, one HDMI, one DisplayPort, and an Ethernet port, one USB 4.0 port, three 1000 meters per second USB 3.2 ports, one USB 2.0 port. In addition to the computer itself, the package includes a power adapter, an HDMI cable, and a user manual. Now, let's integrate it into my workflow. Connects to the power, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Plug in. Imagine facing this desktop hub every day. When this logo appears, it means we've successfully booted up. Welcome to the all-new desktop world. Overall, the Chatreey EXR1 is a mini PC that perfectly blends design aesthetics with practicality. Its speaker-like form factor seamlessly integrates into your living space, while offering no compromise on connectivity ports.